Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So ପିଲାମାନେ recently 2022 physics ର CPET examination complete ହେଇଛି and in this video I will discuss all the mathematical physics related questions. Okay, तो ପିଲାମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଥିବ maximum 7ଟା question mathematical physics ରୁ ଆସିଛି. So ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଏଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ solution provide କରୁଛି. Okay, so the first question ବହୁତ ପିଲାମାନେ easy question ଆସିଛି mathematical physics ଆପଣମାନେ ଦେଖିପାରୁଥିବେ. The first question is the type of the differential equation given by d square y upon dx square plus root over of y this equals to e to the power minus x sin x is dash. So options are linear and inhomogeneous, linear and non-homogeneous, linear non-linear and homogeneous, and the fourth one is non-linear and non-homogeneous. देखो बेला माने actually what is linear and non-linear equation and what is homogeneous and non-homogeneous equation ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ବୁଝିଥାଅ. तो generally गोटे differential equation this is of second order differential equation. Okay, so for a second order differential equation this is the general formula, that is y double prime plus p y prime plus q into y this equals to f of x. Okay, this is the general second order differential equation formula and which is called the linear differential equation. Okay, so pila mane why linear? Because here the dependent variable is y. Okay, because we are differentiating the y, so y is called the dependent variable. Here the dependent variable, if the power of the dependent variable is 1, then this type of differential equation is called linear differential equation. मन रही पिला माने this is called मुझे power कहूँ. Okay, that means एठी y to the power 2, this is not y to the power 2, this is y double prime, that means एठी y को twice मो differentiate करछे. Okay, तो एठी power means कौन पिला माने एठी देखो already equation हमर कौन अछि root over of y, that means y to the power केते अछि already half अछि, y to the power एठी 1 नहीं, that means the kind of differential equation is non-linear, this is not linear. Again come to our homogeneous or inhomogeneous. Okay, तो पिला माने एठी देखि पारथबो जनरल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन रे इक्वल साइड रो ओके और इक्वल साइन रो राइट साइड रो अछि कोन पिला माने एठी आपण देखिबो ना दिस इज f of x. Okay, this is f of x. So the condition is that if the value of f of x, okay, is not equals to 0, then this type of equation is called then this kind of equation is called non-homogeneous. Okay, and if f of x equals to 0, then the kind of differential equation is called homogeneous. That means here the answer should be non-linear and non-homogeneous. Okay, so one number answer is option number D. Next come to the second question given by the condition at which the damped harmonic oscillations of oscillator is oscillatory. पिला माने एटा डायरेक्टली सिंगल माने डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन थिला, that is the condition is for oscillatory condition. Okay, so what is oscillatory condition पे पिला माने आंसर होबो, the answer is option number B, that is under damped conditions. Okay, for the under damped condition the oscillator is oscillatory in nature. Okay, now come to the third question. Now come to the question number 3, that is the gradient of r cube for r is the magnitude of the position vector will be dash. Okay, तो पिला ये भी आपर डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन थिला. सो गोटे फॉर्मूला मन रही था पिला माने जेतबेले ग्रेडिएंट ऑफ एनी वेक्टर हमें फाइंड आउट करछे. ओके, सॉरी ग्रेडिएंट ऑफ एनी क्वांटिटी हमें फाइंड आउट करछे. तो फॉर्मूला इज n r to the power n minus 2 into r vector. Okay, so here the value of n is 3, that means the answer will be 3 r to the power 3 minus 2, that means 1, and r vector. So according to this the answer will be option number B, that is 3r r vector. So now come to the question number 4, the question given by what is the value of the complex integral. Okay, this one is the complex integral that encloses the circle z equals to 1 is dash. तो पिला बात देखो एनी काइंड ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स इंटीग्रल जो आम सॉल्व करछे, तो फर्स्ट आम चेक करबा व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ z. हियर z इक्वल्स टू 1 मीन्स इट एनक्लोजेस ए सर्कल बिटवीन +1 to minus 1. This is the radius of the circle. So any point if lies inside this circle, then we will take for the consideration, we will consider for the analytic condition. Okay, so in this question पिलामन check करो, if I take z minus 1 to whole square equals to 0, then I will find z equals to 1, and also z equals to 1 at this point it encloses the circle. That means here z equals to 1 is the pole of order 2. Clear? But if I take z plus 2 equals to 0, that means the value of z should be minus 2, but minus 2 lies at this point. Okay, it doesn't answer lies inside the circle, so we do not consider z equals to minus 2 as a point of singularity. Okay, now come to the residue part. How to find the residue of this integral when the pole of order, any specific order is given, okay, that is more than 1. Here the solution is, the answer, the residue is, so the residue will be this equals to 1 upon n minus 1 factorial, sorry, there should be limit. Okay, so this will be limit z tends to a, okay, 1 upon n minus 1 factorial d upon dz to the power n minus 1 z minus a to the power n f of z. Okay, so this is the residue for any order poles. Okay, here the pole is of order 2, that means the value of n equals to 2. Okay, so if you put the value of 2, then we'll get that is limit z tends to, here z value is equals to 1, and 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial, that is 1 by 1 factorial, and the here answer will be d upon dz of z minus a, that means z minus 1 whole square. So automatically पिला माने z minus 1 whole square denominator z minus 1 whole square cancel हो, the remaining part will be z square divided by z plus 2. Okay, after differentiating पिला माने जेतला हमें differentiate करिया, and after putting the value we will find the value equals to 5 upon 9. So what is the solution? The solution will be 2 pi I multiply the residue of this function. Okay, so this is the answer of this complex integration, and the answer will be 10 pi I divided by 9, and the answer will be option number A. Okay, now come to the question number 5. This is from Fourier integral. So given the Fourier transformation f of t of this function f of t, given by the function is given by f of t upon 2. Okay, तो पिला माने आरो Fourier transformation कौन हो? तो simple एटी directly हमें पिला माने Fourier transformation रा property put करिया, that is change of scale property. What does this says? F of the change of properties is that f of at, okay, f of at, this equals to 1 upon a f of, sorry, 1 upon a f of t by a, f of s by a. Okay, 1 upon a f of s by a. So this is the answer, f of at, that is Fourier transform of at, that is equals to 1 by a f of s by a. So here the value of a, that is equals to 2. तो compare करो पिला माने एठी आंसर कोन हो, 1 by 2 f of, एठी ओमेगा देछि, s बदला में ओमेगा पुट करिया, so this equals to omega by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 omega by 2. The answer will be option number A, that is half g of omega by 2. Okay, now come to the question number 6. Question number 6 also पिला माने पूरा डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन अछि, the legendary polynomial p and x related to the generating function. That means पिला माने एठी generating function already दे देछि, और corresponding हमें legendary polynomial find out करिया. तो generating function पिला माने already हमें जानछे summation of n equals to 0 to infinite p and x z to the power n. This will be equals to 1 minus 2xz plus z square to the power minus 1. So according to this, the answer will be option number D, that is 1 minus 2xz plus z square to the power minus 1. Then next question, question number 7, that is the Fourier series expansion of the function f of x. तो पहले मैंने देखो एटी कोफिशिएंट ऑफ a नॉट पचास. ओके, तो a नॉट रो वैल्यू तो ऑलरेडी हमें पहले फार्मूला जानते हैं, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a नॉट. सो a नॉट इक्वल्स टू 1 upon pi integration of 0 to 2 pi, okay, 1 upon pi integration of 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. This is a simple question. तो पहले मैंने निजे इंटीग्रेट करो. ओके, f of x बदले 1/4 pi minus x होल स्क्वायर पुट करो, देन pi minus x होल स्क्वायर को ओपन करो. ओके, pi स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर minus 2fx. अगेन डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेशन हमें पुट करियो. आफ्टर पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ, आफ्टर पुटिंग द लिमिट्स वी विल फाइंड द आंसर, एंड द आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज pi स्क्वायर अपन 6. ओके, सो मु एठी पिला माने क्वेश्चन रो पीडीएफ जहाँ भी सॉल्यूशन सेट मु करछि आपन को मु लिंक रे प्रोवाइड कर देबी. इफ एनी डाउट आपन माने मते कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट करंतु एनी क्वेश्चन रो सॉल्यूशन पाई. थैंक यू ऑल.